Welcome to this tutorial. How do I change the YouTube language settings? Open your web browser. Type youtube.com in the URL bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the Sign In button at the top right of the YouTube page. Enter your Gmail ID and press the Next button. On the next page, enter your password and click on the Next button. If you have turned on the two-step verification feature of Google, then click on an option to get a verification code. Once you've received the code, then enter the verification code and click on the Next button. After successfully signing in on YouTube, click on the profile icon. From the drop-down list, click on the language option. Scroll down or up the list to see the available languages. Click on a language that you want to change, and this will change the default language of YouTube. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.